We are currently in the Ganesh Himal region of the Himalayas. We've spent 2 days walking, one day up to 4,000 meters up Singla Pass. The next day we spent going down. We had a beautiful night out, but not many views because there's lots of cloud cover and mist. But we did have a few sneak peeks of these beautiful, amazing mountains that surrounded us. And today we are going to continue to a local village, and it's quite an easy day, but wow, some spectacular parts. Enjoy.
Get your coffee, love. Come and get your coffee, walk. You can't walk. It's too stiff. So we've had 2 really big days. First day was about 11 hours. Yesterday was about 10 hours, just straight up and then straight down. I can just see myself, and I can see that I'm really burnt. Actually, there was no sun at all, but it was obviously misty and rainy, and not rainy, but had this mist. Didn't see many views at all. And today we woke up to another cloudy day. We've just seen a little tiny bit of the mountain peek out there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. I do believe there are mountains around here. Not really convinced yet, as we haven't seen them. But we're on our way now for our first wash of the trip. There's a little stream that's gone down probably 10 minutes from the camp. Beautiful birdsong around. We've seen a few birds. We haven't really identified any of them. Coming down into this gully. It's actually our first real water that we've seen. Yesterday we were able to fill up our water bottles through a drip when we got near the top of Singla Pass. Wow, look at this. How stunning. We just had a cold water plunge. Lucky for you, we didn't film it, but it's pretty chilly. Beautiful, beautiful, chilly, cold water. What a stunning stream we found. And unfortunately still no mountain views. But we know there is one up there, right up where that black cloud is up there, like up there. That's where the top of the mountain is. You can't really believe it. You got to tilt your head up to see the top of the mountain. It's really not believable until you see it. But unfortunately, we only had a very quick peek this morning. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stream. We spent quite a bit of time just sitting here enjoying the sounds and the absolute sheer beauty of it. So living in a big city, we're living in a big city, Yangon, you just realize how much one misses this kind of just sheer beauty of listening to a bubbling stream in a beautiful place. Just so good for the soul. So we've done quite a lot of a descent this today, and since we started walking, it was raining. Oh my god, look at my face. Ew! Look, it's all the same colour as the hat. Anyway, views are still spectacular. We know that there's a big mountain somewhere in there. Just walking down the road now to a village, and it's quite slippery. It's very wet, and we're very grateful that we had the morning that we did with no rain, and hopefully it'll stop raining so we can camp in not where it's not wet. Anyway, that's what our day is like so far. So apparently yesterday we had to change our route. The guys heard that there had been a landslide and we had to change our route. I don't know how that was or whatever, but I've seen quite a few landslides as we've been walking along, and here is a big one that would affect the route a bit if you were walking, I guess.
I wonder if it took out any farmlands. See the terraces.
Yeah, so here's some terraces here. I'm just wondering whether that had taken out some farmland, which would be quite devastating for people. And when we think that we have got a big load, here's a young lady. Incredible.
Okay, so the old women and men from the villages, they have a different type of role of working, and the men's work on a field, like for the whole day. I mean, like men work on a field and like
They plant.
yeah,
They plant the crops.
Yeah, and they grow the crops, and women's are used to be like taking care of animals. If they what do we call?
Children.
No, if they got animals like the cow or buffalo, they need to feed it, right? So
Yeah.
they will go to some places like on their own land and just cut the grasses, and that's the work for women. And they will just bring it to the animal, they will feed it and take the milk from it, and nothing more than that. But men's do like cutting woods from the jungle, bringing woods and making a shelter for their families, and yeah, many more like that. So they will just separate a work. I mean, like they won't separate it, but from the years ago, it's like an tradition. What do you call tradition? Yeah, tradition. So yeah, they will just follow it. That's why I think you haven't seen the men carrying a grass or
Yes.
like something like that.
So the women work much harder,
Yeah, women work
and the men don't do much work.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have a house. You wouldn't have a house if it wasn't for the men. The men.
So the men make the house and
Yeah.
make the food.
Plows the
And
fields.
on the what do we call money to feed their family or children's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. One of the villages that we're going to, and they're the fields that they would be working on. So here we have a husband and wife. And she is 21, he is 20. And you have one baby.
Yes.
2 years old. You're young. But you're so beautiful. Where's your baby?
One baby.
One baby. Oh, very good. The buffaloes. Hi guys. Hello. Hello. Namaste. 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 Namaste.
अंगुराको लहराले बनाएको ढोका अंगुराको लहराले बनाएको ढोका आज मलाई राम्रो लाग्छ सीता रानी भाका सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा रामचन्द्रको बास थियो पञ्चभोटी वनमा रामचन्द्रको बास थियो पञ्चभोटी वनमा शूर्पणखा आइपुगिन् कुरा गुन्दै मनमा सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा आज लहरी चल्यो मनैमा
Eh? Yeah.
सोन्नुहुन्छ रामचन्द्रले को तिमी भन सोन्नुहुन्छ रामचन्द्रले को तिमी भन किन आज भ्रमण गर्यौ गोरा जङ्गलैमा सीता रानी बनाइमा आज लहरी चल्यो
In the middle of the village, next to horses. Are these horses or? Yeah, they're hot. Oh, hey. Not mules. Right next to a stupa.
Super duper.
And there's a little shelter here for us. And the guys have started doing a bit of cooking. So we'll have Dal Bhat. Namaste. Namaste. Ah.
For me.
Hello.
Good place.
Good place.
ऊ त्यो माथि सधैँ बसिरहेको ठाउँ सबै.
Fire. Good place.
Yes.
भन्नुहुन्छ रामचन्द्रले मेरी सीता छन
So this is Dal Bhat.
भन्नुहुन्छ रामचन्द्रले
Very famous
मेरी सीता
in
छन
Nepal.
बरु मेरा
And it's basically dal. This is mainly dal and it looks like some, yeah, it's definitely got some barley in it. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. And they've literally just killed a chicken for us.
Okay.
So we're very happy to have the chicken and rice. So
There we go.
yeah, divine.
Okay. So we're in the middle of nowhere, but in the middle of nowhere you can always get a beer. So cheers to buy some.
Buy some 8%.
सीतारानी बनाइमा आज लरी चल्यो मनैमा आज लरी चल्यो मनैमा सुर्पन रेखा सोन गइन् लक्ष्मणजीलाई सुर्पन रेखा सोन गइन् लक्ष्मणजीलाई मलाई विवाह गर्छौ अरे भन्छन् तिम्रा दाइ सीतारानी बनाइमा आज लरी चल्यो मनैमा सीतारानी